Is Monzo online only? Hook. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monzo, a popular online bank. I've been using Monzo for a while now, and I've been really impressed with it. But one thing that I get asked a lot is whether or not Monzo is online only. So, in this video, I'm going to answer that question for you and give you a full overview of Monzo's services. Introduction. Monzo is a relatively new bank that has quickly become one of the most popular online banks in the UK. Monzo offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Monzo is also known for its innovative features, such as its budgeting tool and its ability to track your spending in real time. Main body. So, is Monzo online only? The answer is yes and no. Monzo is primarily an online bank, but it does have a few physical locations. Monzo has a few bank branches in London, and it also has a number of ATMs around the UK. However, you don't need to visit a physical branch or ATM to use Monzo. You can do everything you need to do online or through the Monzo app. Monzo services. Monzo offers a range of banking services, including current accounts. Monzo offers a range of current accounts, including a basic account, a premium account, and a business account. Monzo current accounts come with a range of features, such as overdraft protection, contactless payments, and the ability to set up savings pots. Savings accounts. Monzo offers a range of savings accounts, including a regular savings account, a high-interest savings account, and a children's savings account. Monzo savings accounts come with a range of features, such as competitive interest rates and easy access to your money. Credit cards. Monzo offers a range of credit cards, including a standard credit card and a travel credit card. Monzo credit cards come with a range of features, such as cashback rewards, interest-free balance transfers, and travel insurance. Other services. Monzo also offers a range of other services, such as budgeting tools, bill pay, and international transfers. Monzo's features. Monzo is known for its innovative features, such as budgeting tool. Monzo's budgeting tool allows you to set budgets for different categories of spending. You can then see how much you've spent in each category and track your progress towards your goals. Real-time spending tracking. Monzo allows you to track your spending in real time. This means that you can see how much you've spent as soon as you make a purchase. Roundups. Monzo's roundups feature allows you to round up your purchases to the nearest pound and save the difference. For example, if you spend £3.20, Monzo will round it up to £4 and save the 80p difference in a savings pot. Hotspots. Monzo's hotspots feature allows you to get cashback when you shop at certain retailers. For example, you might get cashback when you shop at coffee shops, restaurants, or clothing stores. Monzo Flex. Monzo Flex is a new feature that allows you to split your spending into installments. For example, if you want to buy a new TV that costs £500, you can use Monzo Flex to split the cost into 10 monthly installments of £50. Conclusion. So, is Monzo online only? The answer is yes and no. Monzo is primarily an online bank, but it does have a few physical locations. However, you don't need to visit a physical branch or ATM to use Monzo. You can do everything you need to do online or through the Monzo app. Monzo offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Monzo is also known for its innovative features, such as its budgeting tool and its ability to track your spending in real time. If you're looking for a modern, convenient, and innovative bank, then Monzo is a great option. I've been using Monzo for a while now, and I've been really impressed with it. I highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a good online bank. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo, please click on the link below. You can also sign up for a Monzo account by clicking on the link below. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance and investing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.